Hello, this is Aiden, and welcome back to another episode of the Terraria Expert Mode Throwing Class Playthrough thing. This playthrough is just shambles at this point, because I've lost like 4 videos because of my idiot ways. So, we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take this about how my year, otherwise it's just gonna bother me. I need to think about it. Now back in the truck case. I'm Bluetooth from my phone and close my phone. Alright, so what do you do this? This is something we need to do, but first that's gonna be this episode goal. Waff. Introvert. Introvert is melee speed. This is movement speed, so I'm gonna keep that. Pretty sure you can combine it. Yeah, it's material. Material for what? Very confusion. The bloody worm scarf. Yeah, we need the bloody worm to purchase from. You bloody worm tooth. How do we get the bloody worm tooth? Actually, first of all, another boss we need to take out is the Hive Mind, which means we need to get Hive Cysts, which aren't really that rare. So we just need a potion. I'll take an iron skin, I'll take a regen. I'll plug in my headphones for Terraria audio. After I took off the dumb cowboy hat, I felt that's one word. Yeah, that's my word. Grenade, some of the, actually, oh, we have the Dryad Blessing effect, yes. Wrath Potion as well, yes. Do one of these as well. And we need a couple more things from upstairs. Why is the frame rate so bad? Because the red. Oh, that makes sense. Turn off the rain sound. Turn off coloring retro. Yeah, that'll make it work a little better. Quality low, background on. Okay, that feels a lot better because of the retro lighting, which I actually prefer over the actual normal lighting. Get back to Vanilla Shop. We have Wrath, Ridge, why not? This guy's pretty tough, so we're gonna be gearing. Increase knockback, yeah, nah. Don't need. Grab that just in case, I don't really know this boss. I'll grab endurance as well, and this weakness. That should be all we need. Does ammo classify as throwing weapons? I don't think so. Oh, the freaking diamond shuriken, it pretty much looks like I have infinite light because of the diamond shuriken. That's actually kind of OP. Corruption light. Wait. We're going to. Oh, I thought we had a life on my analyzer. Don't really. Go away. Thought we had a life on my analyzer, but we don't, unfortunately. And so what we have to do is just go search your airport. First of all, I need to chop down some of these trees because I need to make a little bit of an arena. There's 10,000. This big pit, we can make like a whole arena over this big pit that we can use for boss fights. So I'll go ahead and just make now because there's no point in not really. Sure, to summon item. So there's a Hive Cyst right there. And you make sure that thing stays. They don't kill it. There's so many of them. I think we need to wait for daytime. probably want to wait for this. Of course, I want to keep this guy, so that means what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull rocks. Nothing can hit me except for worms if they show up. I hope they don't. Pop it in, and we're gonna see how we make the sun. Sunshine potion, yeah, no. Sun sword. Moon. I know there's a moon item. Or a night. A night quiver. Night Edge has 4 different recipes. Blood Butcher, Lead and Mithril Armored. You can make it a Mithril Anvil or Demon Altar. Terrablade. Terrablade turns into Terratomir. Terratomir turns into the Exoblade, yep. But these are all useless to me because we are not a warrior man. Next one, there was an item called like daylight, yes. Moonlight, yes. Oh, we make the we need souls and fridge bars, which is hard mode stuff. We're pretty much just waiting for daytime. We have another couple minutes till daytime, so I'll meet you guys at daytime. Alrighty, guys. The blood moon is now over, but we still have some of these guys struggling around, so we're just gonna dig out the back and kill them. Too hard to defeat, but at least we don't have anybody swarming us now. Alright. The only real thing we have to do for a fight like this is just cover up the holes. Don't fall down them. Make sure we can get easy access to everywhere and anywhere. Go the F away. Go away. Alright. Hive sister going down. First you gotta take down your full 1,000 health. Actually, I have the power of stand far away because it spawns right on there. Maybe put that on. Hive mind has awoken. We didn't even use our Darren's Blessing buff, that's cool. Lightning? It's from the sky. Pretty sure how it works is I can't kill it. Unless all his cronies are dead. And once I kill that. Okay, what I should be doing is putting this on. He needs KB. I might be fully regretting this. Or I might not be fully regretting this. I should have made the life force roll away. It's that as well, but I didn't. Maybe. Should have made the life force potion. I think it's pretty easy to dodge, actually. I don't know why people complain about it being so hard. I guess because you have to kill the cranes before you can actually hit it. Cranes aren't really hard to kill. I guess maybe it's later on in the fight, who knows. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. Kearney, die. I think what's have you to do is bird, boy, bird. Yeah, I love bird. A consistent burn damage is very cool indeed. A little bit of burn damage on it. Let me kill this Kearney real quick. Actually, I can still hit it. Just not as much. Just not as much damage. Kearney, go away. Now I can start hitting it for massive damage. Someone to devour? 30 damage? Pathetic. Get that rain cloud out. Bleh. Let me see. So I do it around 50 crit. I'm doing it around 50 crit. I don't know what the big complaint about this boss is. It's easy. Maybe it's some final form that I have no idea about. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm a throwaway class. I don't know. I think this is just going to be a massive boss rush episode, guys. I think we'll take out Wall of Flesh next episode. This is just going to be a massive boss rush because I said we're going to defeat every boss. So this is just going to be a massive boss rush episode to try and get some of the pre-armor ones that we haven't done. Looks like we're about to have Hive Mind Dunzoed. Hive Mind's Dunzoed. Get some of these paper 3, 2, 1, boom. Tree Shadow Scales, the Rotten Brain. Yeah, pretty good things. 5 degrees smooth speed when below 50% life, 10% increase damage when you're above 50%. Stealth Strike, okay. I remember something needed Tree Shadow Scales, something very important. Yeah. You need to make Hive Mind with them, yeah. Shade Thrower. Ooh, 50 rogue damage. I need True Shadow Scales, Demonite, and Rotten Chunks. Rotten Chunks I have 30 of. True Shadow Scales, how many of those do I have? Okay, what is the bonus / non-bonus this one? Okay. Let's go home, let's go put some of this stuff away. Let's see if we can make some of those 50 damage rogue weapons, shall we? Whatever they were called. Alright, let's just deposit it all and dump the rest of that in there. Let's see if we can make some of those. Make a Devour Staff, yeah. I'm not interested. Healer class, yeah. Just click on weapons. What did I need for those? Rotten Chunks, Demonite All, and True Shadow Skills. Oh, a Demon Alta, that makes sense. But we have one right here, so... Rotten Chunks, True Shadow Scales, and Demonite. Demon Alta. Yes, these. Okay, so they do 50 in stealth. I think the last one into. They do 50 damage in stealth. How much do they do not in stealth? Like 30. They do about as much as 71% crit strike? 71% crit strike. Alright, let's look at our boss checklist here. Giant Clam. We have Sunken Sea. Sunken Sea. What is the Sunken Sea biome? I feel like it's one of the seas. Let's go to the dungeon. Not gonna do that dungeon. Just dungeon. Turn off boss checklist. I have to kill giant clam to get something. I'm pretty sure it's that pearl thing that we need to get for the thing. Hello, meteorite. I remember when I needed you. I used a lot of diamond shurikens then. Lucky I can just buy diamond shurikens in mass amounts now because I can buy diamonds in mass amounts now. I can also buy rubies in mass amounts to get more ruby shurikens. I can pretty much get rock balls in mass amounts as well. Okay, this is acid tea. Hey, there's an acid rain going on. There's another thing that we can kill. Right. So I'm guessing this is sunken sea biome? No. Okay, how hard is it? Not that hard. Get in the water. I'm not gonna get in the water. What is this thing that's on my head? It's kind of like a nebula freaking thingy thing. Ocean left. Acid eel. Okay, this is acid eel. I'm guessing this is sunken sea? I don't know. We have an acid rain going on, which means we have to eliminate it. I want to get whatever these sulfuric scales are. Get off me, water leech. Get off me, water leech. Go back up to ocean lead. Ocean lead. Look at what these sulfuric things do. They have better. They just have. Oh, it's a rogue set. I need so much urchin stingers. How do I get urchin stingers? Urchins. Which I guess spawn in this biome. Give me back up. I really want to make this throwing set. It's an upgraded throwing set, which is kind of cool. I don't know what else can I do with these things. 17 real damage, that's really not that good. Rusty medallion. I really want that rogue, so that's gonna be awesome. Shooting lasers at me and shit. Yeah. Good the F away. Quick teleport and check what this out here. Use it whenever you use it. Just now. Healing real quick. And I died. Get my cash money. I think it's that place. And yep, it looks like that place. Alright. We really don't have to be there, so we're not going to be there. We're going to go back to this place. You remember this? This is the sunken seat. We can't dig up any blocks that are here, so it's very hard to explore. This is where we're supposed to get the giant climb mini boss. Giant climb mini boss, which we need to fight for the climb thing. It's also where we get the thing to ride the desert scourge with. Can we blow it up with bombs? Just get some experimenting. No, I can't blow it up with bombs. Okay. Really, the only way to be able to travel around this thing is by doing that. So yeah, that's what that was anyway. Okay, or some sort of rear thing. We'll find a breathing hole. This is where you want to stick around. Turn off the map. And then go, what are you doing now? Wood just in here as well. Trident. You can't dig up anything. It's the clam. No, it's not the giant clam though. It's not the right type of clam. I may not kill it still, but it's not the right clam. Oh, he drops navy stuff. I mean, dude, a bunch of furniture, couple weapons, and the fishing rod. You're right here. Sea float. And glow stick around. Sit mage. You drop. Absolute diddly squat. I think we'll have to come back here at a later date to be able to do stuff with this. I think that's gonna wrap that up there for today. I would like to thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy the episode, you'd like to see more of this, be sure to hit the like rating, subscribe, hit the bell, comment down below which series you prefer, whether it's this one or the Terraria playthrough. I'll see you guys in the next one.